Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a drop shadow to a rectangle shape in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to add drop shadow to a shape. Go to the Insert menu and click Shape drop down menu. Then we can see here many shapes. We find and select the rectangle shape. Then draw these shapes. Now we can see here we draw a rectangle shape. Now we want to change the or add drop shadow this rectangle shape. Click the rectangle and go to the Format menu. Then click Shape Effect. Then select the shadow and apply a shadow effect in this rectangle shape. Now we can see here we added drop shadow to a rectangle very easily. You can use shape fill color. Click the shape fill and choose any color. Otherwise you can use shape outline. Click the shape outline and choose red color and apply some another effect like presets, shadow, reflection, glow, etc. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.